Hi there, today I'm going to teach you how to use the Pymetrics Web Service endpoints to be able to pull a second type of assessment from Pymetrics. Primarily, you probably have been using Pymetrics to pull what we will internally call our core games, so the 12 games that we have candidates undertake. But what we do offer is some other products as well, and to be able to engage with that requires a different approach to the accessing the endpoint. So we changed that by having a different assessment link in our system, or assessment ID specifically. And I'm just going to quickly just demo you to show you how that operates. So similar to what you would do earlier, you would look to authenticate yourself using a client ID and client secret. This is provided to you by your solution engineer. So once you've received this particular endpoint, you'll be looking to put this body and reaching out to this particular endpoint with the WW here instead. And what you want to do is you retrieve that session ID and you make one of the request assessment call. We'll be using this same request assessment endpoint for both the games and also the video. So what you want to do here is you want to just keep note of this assessment ID, which will change between the two games, between the games and the video, that is. The first name, last name, and email address, of course, will change depending on what you're looking to do. And then these details here you want to have as the body of the API call. All right, so I'm just going to jump right into Postman here. Okay, I'm just going to quickly show you how to just show you that I'm testing my endpoint, make sure it's operational. I received that, which is perfect. So this doesn't require any login. It's just really testing core functionality here. And then right here, I'm just going to get my session ID using the authentication API. Now that I've retrieved this, I will put this here. Oh, still valid from earlier. Okay, and then and I can just put a different email address here, and I'll just keep some of these details the same. Note of this assessment ID. This one's for the core games right now. So we're going to send this request through, and the link there you'll see has changed. So has the order ID. Now what we're going to do is use the same endpoint. Change this session ID, so it's the most relevant recent session ID. Take note that this is the video test here, which I've already pre-populated. So just got some numbers here. This is different assessment ID again, and we send this endpoint through, and there we go. And you'll notice that that number just increased by 1, and the link is completely different. All right, so I'll show you now so you can test that. What it looks like if I just go here. I'm just gonna go to this page here, and it will show me all these basic details. I'm just gonna log in or sign up in this case actually. Yep, and it's just gonna go for all the basic stuff that the candidate normally goes through. Just privacy notices. Yep. Yeah, it's gonna ask me to play the games, ask me my ability questions. Okay, and 12 games ready to play. Okay, is that working okay? And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all you need to do that's different. Just to make sure that this particular assessment ID is the different assessment ID. One again is for the core games, and the other one is for the video itself. If you take note of those two things, then everything will function fine. And what you just need to do is make sure that you do, you do pass the candidate the right links. Notice there's 2 different links, so you just need to structure the messaging as you provide these links to your candidate accordingly. All right. And as most things, just let me know if you have any questions, and I'm always here to help. Cheers.